Hello everyone, and welcome to my birthday. Today, it's my birthday. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Back, we're thriving. No, we're surviving, not thriving, but we're getting there. So I figured I would use today to figure out what I want to look like on Saturday. So that's what we're gonna do today. Sorry for the long intro, don't even know if I'm gonna use it, but let's get into it. Okay, so we're back. 5 million years later. My eyebrows are done. They're high-key terrible. Hello guys, and welcome to Ratchet Studios. So, before we get into this video, actually we're already into it clearly, but I just want to apologize for all the weird shit that's about to go down. Literally all the weird shit. But yeah, so I also want to play a little drinking game because when I watched this footage back, I realized I did a whole bunch of hair flips and kissy faces and awkward stares into the camera. So when I do a hair flip, take a shot. When I do the kissy face, take 2 shots. If I do anything else cringy, drink away. Okay, so enjoy the video. I hope you get extremely wasted. Yeah, this was just me having fun, doing my makeup, testing some things out. I was extremely bored and I think the overall look came out great. So yeah, I figured this is a great video for me to come back to the YouTube world. So happy birthday to me and welcome back to the internet, baby. This is not what I usually do, but whatever. It's already on my face, so we'll see how this works. So let me see. See, already I look less potatoey because I don't have freaking black spots all over my face. Foundation. Let's do that next. And it's just the Sephora brand foundation in the shade Black Bitch. I'm kidding. Chocolate. Number 57. You can see that. What I usually do. 2 pumps. So now that I just wasted a nice 10 minutes to snap because I get bored by myself. Okay, so for the record, I did have a lot of good commentary here, but as you can see, I got a little irritated because I live above the Jerry Springer studio apparently, and at all times it's okay to argue with your significant other. So my neighbors downstairs on the first floor decided they wanted to start arguing, and so of course I get a front row seat all the way from the 3rd floor of their bullshit. So that's all in the back of my video, and for that reason I had to take it out. I apologize, but you know, more witty comment videos to come. Just enjoy my amateur makeup skills and unnecessary sassy face. The Maybelline Master Fix setting and perfecting setting and perfecting, setting and perfecting Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. Okay, so 5 stars for failing English. Now we're gonna fail just being a human because I spent 45 minutes looking for tweezers and another 45 trying to take the cap off of this until I finally realized here that it's not gonna happen and I gave up. So we're not doing this today. So we're just gonna have to who doesn't want to do this? Is that good enough? See how snatched? Alright, sorry, I get distracted easily, and I'm not gonna say I have ADD because I don't. But I'm just like easily distracted. Judge me, I don't care. Okay, what do I do next? Okay, let's do the nose contour. We can do that. But I just something on my face now. You know what? I'm just gonna fucking go. We're gonna just do that. We're gonna do that. We're gonna pull out. Are you guys ready? I don't think you're ready. The one and only Royal Blinks, baby. These are 3D mink lashes, luxury. They're called Your Majesties. So I'm most likely, like almost positive, that I'm gonna wear these on Saturday. Yes. So if you guys like lashes, go pick up a pair of these. She also has really cute ones called Let me just pull it up. All right. So this is her website. Okay, so it's a little dark, but there she is, looking really cute. So this is her website, and then you just click on. So I figured real quick while I walk you guys through her website a little bit, I mentioned that she has a brand new lash collection coming out called the Money Collection, which means 3 new limited edition mink eyelashes now out officially Friday, November 15th. I'm trying to think. One's called Stacks, the other's called Blue Faces, and the last one is 100. So yeah, go check her out. Go check these lashes out. I'm telling you, they're the bomb. There's 2 other lashes in the collection of the ones that I'm wearing. Mine are like the regular basic ones, but they're still extremely beautiful. So yeah, go check her out. Show her some love. Tell her I sent you. Enjoy. So yeah, so that's her stuff. Go check out theroyalshop.net. I'll link all her stuff down below. Yeah, go show my sissy some support, okay? Because she's doing the damn thing. So we're gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Look how dirty it is also. I know what I'm gonna do. All right. Okay, so I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but you know, I'm now filming on my phone, okay? Don't judge me. My iPad decided not to be great anymore, but we're gonna finish this video strong, sis. Strong with a sc. This is the finished look, okay? Thanks for watching.